Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 650, and today's topic is the medicinal importance and uses of Storex. Storex is also one of the resin, and let me tell you about the resins. Resins are very important medicinal products, and they are isolated, extracted from plant material, and they have lot of industrial and pharmaceutical uses. And nowadays lot of preparations are there in pharmaceutical industries for different diseases, and this Storex is very important resin, and it has lot of medicinal importance. For example, nowadays Storex 500 mg is widely used in Europe and America for stroke, dementia, Alzheimer's, and even to regenerate the neurocells, reactivate the neurocells, and also repair the neurocells. So that's why nowadays Storex 500 mg is widely used to improve the memory of the brain, because it can repair the damaged cell of brain, and that's why it is very much helpful in stroke, because stroke is because of the damage of some nerve cells, and also it is very much helpful to improve your capacity of learning. And Storex resin is extracted from the bark of the tree, Storex tree, and this tree belongs to originally Turkey, and from Turkey it has gone to other European countries, even in America, and they have started cultivating. And here the bark is incised, means it is cut. After the incision of bark, then lot of Storex resins will come out, and then that bark is removed with the help of knives, and then it is pressed. The bark is pressed, and out of that pressing and squeezing, the Storex resin will come out, and then this semi-solid fluid type of material, that is gummy material, is dissolved in ethyl alcohol, hot ethyl alcohol, and only 80 to 82% of this crude material is dissolved, and rest of the 18 to 20% is actually vegetable residue. And once it is dissolved, we will filter off the vegetable residue, and the alcohol is recovered by redistillation, and in this way the residual mass will be your Storex. And Storex is the mixture of mainly three organic compounds. One is cinnamic acid, that cinnamic acid is 24%, and the 25% is that is known as stercinol, and this stercinol is 20%. This is very important compound in the that is Storex, and the other compound is that is vanillin. So mainly these three organic compounds and these three mixtures are there, which is making it medicinally very important. And since long this Storex is used in Europe for bronchitis, to treat the respiratory system, cough, and some lung problem. So it is widely used for such purpose, and also they were using it as a source of stimulant for many diseases, and also they were preparing out of it that is benzoin tincture. So it was widely used since last 200-300 years before, but nowadays out of Storex the Storex 500 tablets are available globally, and this tablet is very, very powerful in order to use for all those elements I have already told you. So nowadays, the production of resins from different plant sources are less and demands are more. That's why in market, in pharmaceutical industries, for medicinal purpose, a lot of fake drugs and duplicate ones are supplied. So in the case of Storex, to know whether it is original or not, there is a very specific identification test. Just take the Storex and mix it with potassium permanganate and concentrated H2SO4 solution, and in that solution it may be just 5 to 10 ml. Immediately one smell will come out, because whatever cinnamic acid is present in the Storex will be immediately oxidized into benzaldehyde, and benzaldehyde is having very good almond smell, benzaldehyde smell, and that benzaldehyde smell confirms that this Storex is original, not it is fake. So this is very specific test. Once you get after the oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate and H2SO4 together is a very powerful oxidizing agent. It will be immediately oxidize cinnamic acid into benzaldehyde, that is aldehydic form, and that benzaldehyde is having very good almond smell, that in Indian language we call is badam ki khushbu, and that badam smell confirms the Storex. So here the botanical source, the name of that plant is, with botanical name is Liquidambar orientalis Miller. So it belongs to family Hemiliaceae. Number one. The origin of this plant is Turkey. That I have already told you. I have already told you all this, but just for record purpose, I have written here. Storex is pathological resin. Why it is pathological resin? Because we are getting it out of injury, that is by making incision in the bark. The incision is made in the bark in the month of summer, and Storex resin is produced in the bark. The bark is removed from the tree with the help of knives, just scrape it out, and the balsam pressed, boiled with water. It is boiled with water. Whatever balsam we are getting out of bark, it is boiled with water in order to remove all the inorganic impurities. And after boiling, whatever residue we are getting, that we will dissolve in hot water by heating. And 80 to 82% of this balsam is dissolved in alcohol, and it is filtered out, and whatever mass is there as a residue, that is actually vegetable residue, just remove it, and what filtrate we are getting, that is your pure Storex, and that is roughly 80 to 82%, and in this way the purified Storex is obtained. Number two, Storex is viscid, greasy liquid, having pleasant smell and bitter taste. It contains about 20% water, and the alcoholic soluble part is 82%. Actually, whatever portion is soluble in water, that is your pure Storex resin, and the remaining is vegetable residue. Purified Storex is semi-transparent, yellow or brown balsamic. Pure Storex is soluble in ethyl alcohol, chloroform, in carbon tetrachloride, and in ether, and acetone and carbon disulfide. Number three, Storex contains 24% free cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is 24% and 25% is storcinol, and these structures I have already given and it is explained. And vanillin. The identification test, I have already told you that you take Storex, and then add potassium permanganate into it, add concentrated sulfuric acid 4 to 5 ml a solution, and then you will get the evolution of some gas and smell, and that smell is almond smell. That is because of the formation of benzaldehyde, and that confirms that this material is 100% pure Storex. So here number 4, Storex is used as stimulant, antiseptic, and in preparation of benzoin tincture. Actually, this uses antiseptic and as a stimulant, benzoin tincture, since long they are using for this purpose. And people take Storex to treat cancer, cough, cold, stomach pain, diarrhea, epilepsy, sore throat, bronchitis, parasitic infection. It is directly applied to skin to treat wound. To skin to treat wounds, ulcer, and eczema. It has lot of application. This Storex, that is resin. Number 5. Now recently they have started producing the tablets of 500 mg, that is called Storex 500. It is widely used in many advanced countries, and this Storex 500 tablets are used in treatment of stroke, head injury, Alzheimer's, dementia. Alzheimer's dementia means those people who are having memory loss, short memory loss is dementia, long memory loss is Alzheimer's. So this Storex 500 tablets, they are very powerful to recover people from Alzheimer's and dementia, because this Storex 500, this resin can stimulate your nerve cells, can regenerate and can repair. So that's why it is widely used for stroke and all these purpose. And it also protects the repair and regenerate the nerve cells in the brain. Therefore, it improves learning and memory also. So this Storex resin is so important from pharmaceutical, from pharmacological, and from medicinal point of view. And this my lecture will be very much useful for those students who are doing their pharmacy courses, either B Pharm or M Pharm, either undergraduate or postgraduate courses. And even if they are doing research, they should know the importance of resins. And still I have lot of resins to discuss, and you will be surprised to know the resin chapter, how important it is. And in many medical colleges or in pharmacy schools, they take resin chapter very lightly. No, it is very important chapter, and I will be discussing one by one how important they are from medical point of view. So that is the importance and uses of resin Storex. So those students who are interested to know more in detail about Storex 500 tablets, they can go to internet or on Google. They will get lot of details. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.